Hey friend, this is Truth Channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Today, I'll be studying Lesson Tuesday, May 26th, the law. How would you define and describe sin to a non-Christian? How does the Bible describe sin? Read Romans 3:20 and 1 John 3:4. Sin is transgression of God's law, 1 John 3:4. And sin is also wrapped up in our nature, Psalm 51:5, Jeremiah 17:9. So it's the law that brings to light what sin really is. The law is like putting on a pair of glasses so we can clearly see what's really around us, or using a mirror to see what really look like. It brings clarity and conviction to our lives and our characters, while at the same time telling us about God's character and what's important to Him. The Ten Commandments, Exodus 23:17, were written by God's own finger. Jesus echoed their importance. And you shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, and with all your strength. This is the first commandment. And the second, like it, is this: you shall love your neighbor as yourself. There is no other commandment greater than these. Mark 12 to 30, 31. He added, on these two commandments hang all the law and the prophets. Matthew 22:40. God's words is this to the Israelites at Mount Sinai and to us today, Hebrew 1:12, tell us that the law is all about relationship. God gave the law as a safeguard to protect our relationship with Him and with others. However, Satan has distorted the beauty of God's law so that some see it as a burden. Legalism rather than love and freedom is often attached to the law, even though the Bible tells us, for this is the love of God, that we keep His commandment, and His commandments are not so burdensome. 1 John 5:3. On a scale of 1 to 5, how precious is the living word and the law as a part of it to me. 2. When I keep God's law, is it restricting me or strengthening me? How can I better understand the law if I think it is restricting me? 3. What might happen if God's love for Him and others was brought into the center of my life, my family, and my church? What might change in my life and my relationship? May God bless. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is Truth Channel.